She sneezed right on her crush's face. Gigi the giraffe had a big crush on Max the zebra, so when he sat beside her in music class, she tried to stay calm. But then her nose started tickling. One sniff, two, Ahoo! Right on Max's face. Everyone gasped. Gigi froze. Max blinked and then started laughing. He handed her a tissue and said, "Nice to meet you too." Gigi learned sometimes the worst moment leads to the sweetest smile. More magical stories and cute friends coming soon. Follow to join the adventure.